Good evening, everyone. Myself, Vatsal Shah. I'm final year student at VIH Vellore. I am from a CAC department. And today in this video, I will share my experience working on the Google Sheet synchronization project, which is assigned by a Superjoin as in a hiring task. So I would like to say that this task was amazing and I learned a lot of things in that. So I would like to share my learning, what challenges I faced and how I solved that challenges. So in this project, I developed a system to synchronize data between MySQL database and Google Sheets in real time. I learned how to interact with Google Sheets API using Node.js, create database triggers in MySQL. The database triggers for the immediate synchronization between the database and Google Sheets. If we do any CRUD operations either in Google Sheets or in database, it should give the immediate update. So that I implemented using the database triggers. And I manage asynchronous operations effectively. While implementing the project, I faced many challenges such as understanding Google Sheets authentication, ensuring data integrity during updates, and debugging asynchronous codes. The main problem which I faced during the project is the two-way communication. If I'm doing any CRUD operations in the Google Sheet, so it was not getting updated accordingly in database. Simultaneously, if I'm doing any CRUD operations in database, so it was not getting updated in Google Sheet as it should be. So that was the main problem which I was facing. But throughout the time, I explored, I learned, I used Google, some articles on Medium, and definitely ChatGPT also. So in this, I enhanced my prompt engineering skills as well, and I made it project done. So now, it's two-way communication is successfully getting happened. Now, if I other than I won't give the demonstration because due to time constraints. So this is the code of this project, and this is the Google Sheet of the data which I'm using. This is a simple data of a company where the employee details I am storing like name, email ID, the position is working, and his salary. After that, this is the live MySQL database which I'm using in terminal. It's running on the terminal. Now you can see all the different so many database and queries which I have wrote, and I have tested my project, adding the database, adding the data, reading the data, updating the data. All the CRUD operations are successfully happening. Now, if I talk about the one brownie point which was told to cover, it was optional, but still I tried to cover that point. So that point was need to cover that it should conflict management. So now, if data or a line, now let's say if in this data sheet, if I remove this 14th number line from the sheet, and simultaneously from the same line I try to delete in the database as well, so it will give the conflict. This will not be getting executed. So this also I try to cover. So with this, thank you for watching my video, and I'm eagerly waiting for further updates, and I would love to work with Superjohn. So thank you.